Hey guys, Kelly here with Mindful Bodyworks. So today I'm just going to show you a couple quick exercises with the McKenzie Method for treating neck pain. So I show these to clients every time that I have someone that comes in with neck pain. And the reason I do that is not to keep them from coming back to get a massage, but is to release the muscles between visits so that we're not starting over each time. Also, I really feel by home education, showing people how to treat themselves, that they can get themselves out of the pain cycle, which is always helpful. All right, so the first one we're going to do with the McKenzie Method, treating neck pain, is we're going to do retraction. So retraction is where we have to make the biggest double chin ever. So we're going to be pulling the chin straight back, holding it for a few seconds, and then releasing. So I'm going to turn sideways so you can see that. Yes, I know double chins look terrible, ladies, but I promise you it's going to feel better. All right, so you're bringing the chin straight back and then releasing. Straight back and then releasing. Now it's really important to do these 10 times in a row. You might feel some cracking or popping. That's completely normal and okay, as long as you don't feel any sharp shooting pain or your pain worsens. In that case, you want to go ahead and contact your doctor right away. Now the next one that I'm going to show you is extension. So I'm going to show you first with a pillowcase because it just feels better, and then I'm going to show you without the pillowcase. So if you imagine a V, we're going to be taking the head up and to one side, then back to the center of the V, and then up and to the other side, and then back to the center. Okay? So I'm just going to do that with the pillowcase. So leaning back, taking it to one side, coming back to the center and down, and then going out to the other side. All right, so with the pillowcase, it just makes it feel a lot more supported. You don't have to have a pillowcase, and normally I don't use a pillowcase unless I just am at work and I have one sitting around in my linen closet. So doing it without, you're just taking your head straight back, over to the side, back to the center, and down. Now you have to do both sides, even if one side is hurting worse than the other side. You have to do each side equally, and again, that's 10 repetitions. Now if you can do these every hour of the day, that would be amazing. Now I know that's probably not going to happen, but if you can do them 3 times a day, that would be very helpful for your neck. So maybe you do breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or when you first wake up after you get out of a hot shower so your muscles are nice and warmed up, and then midday, and then again before bed. Whatever you can do would be wonderful. I love to do these, especially the retraction where you're pulling the chin in. I love to do it in the car. The reason being is every stoplight, I go ahead and I remember to do it. It's just ingrained in my brain, so it helps me to remember to get those exercises in. Now, usually I do them more when I'm in pain, but sometimes I'll just do a maintenance session while I'm sitting at a stoplight and I'm like, oh, I haven't done my retraction in a while, and I'll go ahead and stretch out my neck. This has saved me. I literally was going to the chiropractor every 3 weeks and getting massage, and um, I just couldn't make my pain stop coming back. But by doing these exercises, I'm able to tackle it. I have fewer flare-ups with my neck. And when I do have a flare-up, I go ahead and do the exercises, and then it's gone within 24 hours, literally. So again, if you have any sharp shooting pain, any tingling, numbness, anything like that, you need to go ahead and reach out to your doctor. Otherwise, give these exercises a try, and I hope they help you. Feel free to share these with anyone who is in pain or wakes up with a crick in their neck as well. And be sure to like and share or like and subscribe my channel. I really appreciate it, being able to show people stuff through YouTube and reminding clients when they come in, oh, by the way, you can look at the YouTube and see how to stretch out your neck. Okay?